Today I'm going to be unboxing the Cricut Bright 360 lamps. I've got the floor lamp and the table lamp. If we're just meeting right now, hi, my name is Nisha. Welcome to Little Craft Nest. Let's open these up. I got these lights as a Christmas gift, but I knew I was getting them, so I've been dying to open them. This floor lamp that I'm opening has a max height of 56 inches. And the light head itself is 9.5 inches, which will light up 4 square feet of your work area. These lights aren't meant to light up your whole entire room, so you won't be using these lights for an example to film a YouTube video or paint your craft room. These lights can easily rotate, pivot, and move to where you need them to be, which we'll test out in a minute. The box for this floor light tells us it can go up to 3,000 lux. And I had to look that up, but lux is the standard unit of measurement of the light level intensity. So for example, if you had a lit candle, the lux of that candle light would be 1. Now, if you were in direct sunlight, the lux could be up to 100,000. The box also says that the light has a 95 CRI, which stands for Color Rendering Index, which basically means you'll be able to see your colors in the most truest form. The base of this light is so much heavier than I expected, which is good because that means this light will be fairly sturdy. To assemble the light, all you need to do is click the poles into place, plug it in, and then turn on your light. Now the table lamp has a height of 27 inches, but the lamp head is the exact same size as the floor lamp at 9.5 inches. But the base of the lamp is a little smaller at 8.5 inches, so it's not quite as heavy. Now the lux of the table lamp is only half of what the floor lamp is, at 1500 lux, but the CRI is the same as the floor lamp. This light goes together the same way as the other one by clicking the rods into place and then plugging it in. So I've got both my Cricut lights set up. We've got the table lamp and the stand lamp. Now I've turned off my ring light right now, so yes, the video looks a little darker than normal. And the only lights I have on right now are a few pot lights in my craft room, and there's not many, so yes, it's a little dark right now. So let's turn on one of these lights and see how it can illuminate your project. So they both work exactly the same way. One's just standing on the floor and the other one's on the table. So the bottom switch, if it's all the way at the bottom, it is off. And then you can lift it up to adjust the brightness. And you can see it just got a whole lot brighter on my desk here. And then you can also change it from warm to cool. So at the bottom, we've got a warm light. And if we lift that second lever up to the top, it becomes a cool light. So depending on the type of environment you want, you can adjust your lights accordingly. Now let's turn our other light on as well. And now I've got twice as much brightness here, but you only need one. These lights were actually on sale when we purchased them, so I got 2 for the price of 1, and that's why I got 2. So if you see any good deals like that, be sure to grab them. What I really like about these lights is the ease of adjustment. So we can grab our handle here and move our light all the way down to our project if you need more direct light on your project. You can also tilt the angle of your light and then simply move the arm back up. So we can do the same thing with our other light as well. Just make sure the other end of it doesn't hit a wall. So I love the direct lighting of this and how you can move the light around where you want it to. Now, are these lights bright enough to illuminate an entire room? Well, that's not the direct purpose, but let's find out. I'm going to turn off these pot lights so you can get a better sense of how bright they are in a dark room. Around me does look pretty dark, but I do have the concentrated light directly from my lamps, so I'm still able to see my craft project here, but I'm not lighting up the entire room. So that just gives you an idea of the brightness of these lamps. So I've got my ring light back on in front of me. I hope the information I've shared with you about these lights really helps inform your decision of whether they are right for you or not. If you have any questions about them, let me know in the comments, and after I've used them for a while, I'm sure I'll be able to give you some more information and let you know how they're holding up. If you're interested in more crafting unboxing, be sure to check out some of these videos right here. and I hope to see you on more crafting adventures.